Hey guys, this is Ahmed from Oxmoor Ford. I'm here to show you guys something really cool we got in. A modified 2026 Ford F-150 LOBOs. I'll start off by showing you the LOBO specific items, like this updated front bumper, as well as these lights you get in the grille that go all the way through. They look really neat at night. The LOBO stock comes with 410 horsepower and 400 foot-pound of torque. This one we've installed with a Ford factory Whipple Supercharger. It has 725 horsepower, 590 foot-pound of torque, and it still comes with your Ford factory warranty. If we make our way to the side, you can see the LOBO comes with specific wheels, 22 inches, and a slight lowering kit, as well as a body kit all the way around, including these side skirts right over here. I'll open up the door and show you the interior. You've got the beautiful 12-inch center display, as well as a full digital dash on the LOBOs. Comfort and performance all in one. We'll make our way around to the back. Ford F-150 has best-in-class rear seat space. And you have extra storage space whenever you lift up the chair back here. Great for a dog or just your everyday stuff. We'll make our way to the back now. LOBOs has 2 exhaust tips in the back, dual exhaust that give you a beautiful tone compared to a regular F-150. You see in the back, this one also comes installed standard with the Ford factory spray-in bed liner. And if you are interested in this one, this is the only F-150 LOBOs we have with the Supercharger installed in it. Again, 725 horsepower, 590 foot-pound of torque.